Hey everyone, it's Paolo here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this $33,696 with affiliate marketing and TikTok marketing. So what I'll do in this video is I will show you a full step-by-step breakdown of how I was able to make this kind of commissions combining affiliate marketing and TikTok marketing, free organic traffic. Now for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paolo Beringel, and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And so if you like to get this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. Now for those of you who would like to skip this overview video, I will also put the link in the description so you can check out this full training on how you can earn instant $200 commissions with affiliate marketing using the Done For You system. So let's go ahead and show you how I made this $33,696 in affiliate marketing combining TikTok marketing. So basically this is what I do, guys. So this is the blueprint right here. So before I show you the steps, let me go ahead and show you the blueprint. So this is the blueprint right here of exactly what I'm doing. So coming from the left, which is the traffic coming from TikTok, these are the people who are on TikTok. What we want to do is send this traffic, these people, we want to take them from TikTok and go to the lead capture page. And whenever people go to the lead capture page, they submit their email address. And then when they submit their email address, they then go to the thank you page. And then they go to the affiliate link, which is the affiliate link, affiliate product that we are promoting. And when people go to the lead capture page, they become part of the autoresponder. And inside the autoresponder, we have the follow-up emails. And whenever people open the follow-up emails with the affiliate link inside, they click on the link, they go back to the affiliate link. Whenever they purchase, that's how we make the commission. So really straightforward, super easy. Now in real life, this is exactly what is happening, okay? So I have this TikTok account, which is my official TikTok account. Okay, and you can see I have these short videos on TikTok. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, okay? And then what happened is that the call to action for that video is to get people into my bio or into my profile. And in my profile, I have this link that says get the $200 per day system. And when they click on this link, when they click on the link, what happened is people go to this lead capture page right here. Okay, so when they go to this page, and when they go to this page, they put their email address because they also want to make money online. Okay, they put their email address here. And then what happened is they go to this thank you page where I have a short video explaining how it works. And then I have these 3 simple steps that they need to do. And then what happened is they go to the affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. They watch the video from the creator of the system. We don't need to speak to anyone and we don't need to explain things to anyone. When they click on join daily income method now, which is the offer, they complete the purchase. Whenever someone purchases, that's how we make the commission, which is just straightforward. So that is exactly how I made that $33,696 with this particular affiliate account. So again, it's really straightforward. We don't need to, we don't need to speak to anyone. We don't need to manually speak to anyone or explain things to anyone. Basically, what we're doing is we create short videos on TikTok. We post the videos on TikTok and it's 100% free. You don't have to pay for that. And whenever people go and watch the videos on TikTok, they are interested, they click on the link, they go to this page. Again, the system is automated. We don't need to speak to anyone. People who are interested to make money online, they click this button, they submit their email, and then they go to the thank you page. They go to the next step, which is this page right here. and the creator of the system, he is doing all the explanation. This video will do the explanation, all the telling and the telling, all right, all the selling and telling. People click on the button whenever people purchase. That is how we make the commission. Okay, so that's really straightforward. There's nothing complicated on this process. That's why this is a short video. And if you want to learn more about how you can do this, there's actually a training on how you can do this. And you don't even need to show your face on TikTok if you're the type of person that, you don't want to show your face on social media. There's actually a way on how you can do this as well. So all you need to do, I'll put the links in the comment section so you can check it out. So you can go to this website. It's the superaffiliatecoach.com/info. And then when you go to this website, all you need to do is put your email address here and then follow the steps. And then once you complete the steps, okay, what you need to do is go through the process. And then once you sign up, okay, so this one you here, right? So once you go to your dashboard in your members area, in the daily income method, which is the system that we are using for this particular campaign. So once you log in into your members dashboard, you go to the system setup. And then in the system setup, this is the most important part that you need to do, right? So there's a welcome video, the username, and your profile. And in the step number 4, you want to make sure that you add your payment links, because you want to make sure that people pay you, or you want to get paid. And these are instant $200 commission. So you watch the video, and then from here, what you want to do is you connect your Stripe so you can get paid via Stripe. If you want to accept credit card payments, you can use PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, Crypto, and other payment methods, which is pretty awesome. Okay, and then once you do that, you go to the part where it says lead capture page setup and then the affiliate links. Now, once you complete all this setup right here, there's a place here where it says resources. This one right here, resources. Right, so these are the emails that you want to use for the email follow-up, which I already have explained in my previous video. And then in the section where it says access products, okay, so this one right here, if you go to this part where it says 100,000 faceless reels, right? So this one right here, if you go to the library, okay, if I click this one without showing, without giving away the intellectual property of this company, of this system, you can see it here. You watch this video, and then you click this button that says click here to download 100,000 faceless reels. And then basically what you do is, if you watch this video, it's like a, like shorter than 7 minutes video that explains how to use the videos. But you have around 100,000 faceless video reels that you can use on your TikTok account. Okay, if you don't want to show your face on TikTok, you can do that. Basically, you can use these videos that they provided inside the daily income method, post the videos on your TikTok, and then follow the step. Basically, put the link in your profile. So whenever people watch your videos on TikTok, and because they're interested to make money online, they click on the link, they go to your lead capture page. Again, this is the lead capture page that you will get when you sign up for the system. People sign up. Whenever people sign up, that's exactly, if you go to the part where it says commissions, this is exactly how you will make that instant $200 commission. Okay, so you can see all these $200 commissions coming in, and you can use this in any other affiliate programs as well. So you can see in one of my affiliate programs, I have these total commissions, and they paid me $33,696, which is pretty awesome. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that I was able to give you information on how to make money online with TikTok and affiliate marketing. So if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. Otherwise, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can check out the daily income method, and go to the website. The link will be in the comment section, so you can check it out. You can get the 100,000 faceless reels videos that you can use for your TikTok or for your social media platforms. So thank you for watching, guys. I look forward to connecting with you inside the group once you start getting the $200 instant commissions. And I look forward to hearing your success stories and seeing your results inside the group. So I'm looking forward to connecting with you, and I look forward to seeing the success and seeing your testimonials as well. Again, all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to this website and then follow the steps. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.